So anyways, made it to Honda Day, but we late. I think it was because of me why we late, but however it goes, we late. It's a nice Infiniti.
All right, 10 times the charge.
And you won the race, showing up this late.
Nah, if I was racing, I would have been here, bro. I would have been since yesterday. Huh? The Tiger gonna break. Look at that.
Too late. Slim buddy. So to break the record now, you gotta go like a 7.98.
Oh yeah.
Like 7.98, like.
Yeah. Yeah, Honda Day, and now I gotta represent for the DMV. Yo!
Hey, what's good, man?
What's going on? How you been, B? All right?
Fast, man.
One day, don't worry. One day we'll be there. Huh? Yeah, it sucks, man. I got here late.
Yeah. 17 speakers, no church.
Oh, shit.
Said, fuck that shit. What does it take up space?
You gotta go talking good. Alright, let's go on this side, right? Let's start right here. Gotta get this man right here.
Should have been a Honda, though.
I know, right? It's hard. You gotta make one because it's like you ain't gonna find one.
It's not so bad. Bro, I can't if it ain't work the camera.
Come here, little bitches, come here. Montclair, no shit like a Montclair. Wrong air, bitch, you in the wrong air. I don't wanna talk, don't cross the frontier. Come here, little bitches, come here. Montclair, no shit like a Montclair. Wrong air, bitch, you in the wrong air. I don't wanna talk, don't cross the frontier. Bad bitch, and she got some long hair. Fuck her in the truck, you know I don't care. Money on my mind, you got the wrong pair. I just wanna buy no friends around here. Drive expensive cars, flexing way too hard. I used to walk the mall, now I own it all. Oh, you so extra tall, feel like I'm on Mars. I'm not a fisher dog, man, I work too hard. No, when they acting hard, I know what it costs. I see my niggas rise, I see some niggas fall. Them days I used to talk, but now my phone be off. Ask why I stunt so hard, don't ask me what I bought. Sometimes I see the stars, but most times I see fog. Don't need an entourage, I be my only guard. They say best play your part, don't fuck the haters smart. These bitches play your heart, then leave you in the dark. Come here, little bitches, come here. Montclair, no shit like a Montclair. Wrong air, bitch, you in the wrong air. I don't wanna talk, don't cross the frontier. Come here, little bitches, come here. Montclair, no shit like a Montclair. You got my ready in.
How the fuck you found it? How you find me? I'm that black.
Have this shit going on.
Oh shit. Where the owner for this car at? What's up, B? Fuck you doing out here, man? Why you ain't put it on the track?
I don't got that much power, bro.
Fuck you mean? You make more power than everybody in the lineup right here. Hey, bro, you know you do, bro.
It's a show car.
Look at the tires, bro. Look at the tires. Bro. You want to let me borrow a set? You got 2 more? In the back? I need 2. You know anybody that got some tires? Wow. I need 2 tires. Yo, keep on the lookout for me, B. When you bring it, you coming out next weekend? Might come out there. Might. Got something slight. Oh, this shit on 1%. Everything about to die on my ass. Hey, you got the power brick, right? Well, update my YouTubers. My phone is on my gimbal is on 1%. And my phone was dead before I started videoing again. For some reason, this app takes a lot of power. And yeah, I only got 1%, so when it dies, it dies. And I think my phone will die with it. I'm gonna try to. It says GSR on it. I'm gonna try to see if I can. Still out here with the boys. Still trying to get some footage. Still doing a little walk around with my little late self. I do got another camera with me. It's kind of shitty though. My little brother using it. But I'm gonna see what I can do, man. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all guys some more footage. I'm gonna go check out some of the races right now and see if I can get some shit on and popping. I really say on and popping because I'm not doing no racing. So let me rephrase that. I'm gonna go check out some of the other cars and hopefully my brother brought the power brick with him and to consider recording. Yo, you got the power brick? Yeah, he got the power brick. So yeah, guys, I would be able to give y'all some footage. And look at that, the gimbal died. So let me cut this off and I'll be right back. So got the power brick all plugged up, man. Back to recording. Video is not gonna be as stable because I'm not using the gimbal anymore. So hope y'all don't get mad at me for the shaky video. I'm here, boy, man. Beautiful car. Love this car. Nice ass car. Clean.
Again, any racer that has money or anything in the tower, or any racer that needs to come to the tower for any reason, come on up. Don't know how much longer these guys will be here. If you want your check, you can get it. If not, they will mail it to you. Don't worry.
Already?
Play your bro over so I can give him the
Ooh,
case.
GTR. At Honda Day. Where everybody at? right there, walk with me. Nice, nice, nice. Down here in the pits, 4 piston. Gotta love these guys. I'm not worried about GTR. Take a picture of the Honda. Man. Let me feel. I didn't see it.
And I could not. Then I could use the daylight to get home.
This is the car that broke the record last year.
799.
Yeah. This is the motherfucker. Hey guys, the African leaving. Yo! What that fun? Everything good? Diana. Sorry for the shaky video, man. Like I said, sorry for the shaky video. Car of the day. I gotta give credit where credit is.
Hey, this shit is lit,
Pay attention, bro. You never seen that so sexy, right? Hey, never seen that. Right hand drive. Yeah, I noticed. Oh shit, they got the motherfucker.
I like the beer can in it.
I gotta leave a gray one. It's dope. Seal of approval.
Alright, I'm taking off.
Alright. Get the key from over.
Hey, bro.
Yo! So, another rust bucket. Nice car. Very nice car. Oh, snap. Gauge swap. Gotta love it. Another one of the homies is out here repping, doing their shit. Oh shit.
The dent like shit. I say, that a cab right there.
It's always the dent that give it away, bro. What's going on, B? How y'all boys doing?
Pussy clap.
Oh,
shit.
Yo,
Go see that yard man right there.
go on. I don't want that one.
How you doing, man?
Man, good. I'm still there.
He staying black?
Egger quit.
Yeah, I saw
Nardo quit. All them at Paul Engel.
What the fuck?
Yeah, Egger first left. Egger left first.
You go there too.
I told him to go to Ford.
I'm good.
If they paying, son.
I'm good.
I know they pay more.
Yeah. But that's a start over. I don't want to start over.
Not really. You already got experience and you know how much you get paid.
Fuck you. Come on, you see black guy. Of course I'm here, nigga. Yeah, he told me when he was leaving out, he was coming in.
Currently leaving Honda Day. Yeah, they gotta stop traffic for the rail out there. Oil pressure looking good.
Fourth gear. Thought he would have missed that shit. Yeah, man, we on our way back home through the countrysides. Me and bro. Glenbert is already on his way home. The African got it, so he drove it back home. Yeah, I'm going back in Hothead, man. Hopefully, already getting hot, but whatever, we gonna wing it, see what it do. Hopefully we make it home like we made it down. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's all we doing right now, just heading home with the 4E seatbelt design. Get at me if y'all want one of these seatbelts, man. It's the best seatbelts ever out. But yeah, we on our way back, man. Oh, camera. Yeah, so me and a couple of the cars that I came with is on our way back home right now. So yeah, hopefully we get home safely. Running down the road. The fucking grooves. Shout out to my man Kev. Rolling in the Evo, man. Gotta give it up for my boy in the Evo. Gotta get some gas though.
Raindrop, drip, drop top, top smoking, no cooking the hot bar. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that.